For those looking to breathe new life into their Dell Alienware Area-51 R2 gaming desktop, the ATEC 32GB RAM kit might be just the upgrade you need. This kit includes two 16GB DDR4 DMM modules, operating at a speed of 2,400 MHz, PC4-19200. It's designed to be a simple, effective way to boost your system's performance. The ATEC memory is a non-ECC unbuffered UDIM, featuring a 2RX8 dual rank configuration. It adheres to the JEDEC DDR4 standard, operating at a safe and efficient 1.2V. This ensures compatibility and stability with your Alienware Area-51 R2. One of the biggest advantages of this kit is its ease of installation. It's designed for a plug-and-play experience, meaning you likely won't need any advanced technical skills to get it up and running. Just consult your system's manual for the correct memory seating and channel guidelines, and you should be good to go. Upgrading your RAM can lead to noticeable improvements in system speed and overall performance. By increasing the available memory resources, you can reduce bottlenecks and allow your system to handle more demanding tasks with greater ease. This is particularly beneficial for gaming, video editing, and other memory-intensive applications. ATEC puts its memory modules through rigorous quality control testing. This helps ensure that you're getting dependable and reliable performance from your upgrade. It's always reassuring to know that your components have been thoroughly tested. If you're looking for a straightforward and effective way to enhance the performance of your Dell Alienware Area-51 R2, the ATEC 32GB RAM kit is worth considering. Its ease of installation, coupled with the potential performance gains, makes it a compelling upgrade option.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.